So your insurance company told you you need to get a new roof. They said for whatever reason your roof is too old and they're going to drop your coverage if you do not get it replaced. So here's the deal with this. What's actually happening right now is insurance companies have it's basically been a slaughterhouse for them the past like 5 or 6 years. Just the amount of storm damage around the country, specifically here in the Wisconsin area, has been extensive, right? So they're trying to recoup their losses right now. Whereas before, like you might have had a roof that was 25 years old, which is past its lifespan anyways, more than likely, it was still covered. Well, now insurance companies have definitely seen that these older roofs are costing them a lot of money, which is causing your premiums to go up, all this kind of stuff. They're actually dropping coverage. So really the past year, it started in Florida and Texas, and it's made its way all the way here to Wisconsin, is the insurance companies are saying, hey, like if your roof is 20 years old, in some cases 15 years old, they're requiring you to replace it for you to receive full coverage from the insurance company. Now, sometimes you can actually go to the insurance company and says, hey, if I get an inspection from a roofing company that says my roof is good and they take pictures and all this stuff and they show it, can that affect what your insurance company says? It can. So, but also just just keep in mind that the roofing company doesn't work for free. So the roofing company might charge you a couple $100 to go out there and take some pictures, write a quick report on it saying your roof is good, right? So obviously just don't expect guys to do that for free, because you probably wouldn't work for free either. So, but again, if the insurance company does say you need to replace it, give us a call at 414-455-2345. We've actually probably worked with, and again, this is more than ever, probably around 30 or 40 customers this year where their insurance company said, hey, you need to replace this. And in most cases, it did need to get replaced. We're talking about roofs that are 20 years old, 20 years and older. Average lifespan of an asphalt shingle in the Midwest is 18 to 22 years. And it's not just the shingle itself. So disregard what it says on the package or what your warranty says. A lot of it has to do with installation practices. So you can have the world's best shingle, and if you had an average installer, or even worse, a bad installer, it might only go 12 years. It's like anything else in this world. The quality of the installation really, really matters, right? So I always use paint as a great example, right? You can have the world's best paint, but if you have a 5-year-old paint in the wall and they just take the world's best paint and they throw it on the drywall with no primer, is that paint gonna last? No, it'll probably start peeling within a year, right? So it's the same thing with a roof. You can have the best shingle in the world, the best products, but again, if you have bad practices, if you have installers doing the wrong things and installing it the wrong way, it's not going to last, right? And usually those kind of roofs you can tell after a couple of years really quick, sometimes sooner, sometimes the next day. So, but if you have any questions about this, or if your insurance company does call you or send you a letter saying that you need a new roof for you to maintain coverage, give us a call. Joe at 4 Leaf Roofing and Windows in New Berlin, Wisconsin. We cover all the way down to the border of Illinois, Kenosha, up to Madison, and out to Oconomowoc, obviously, and West Bend. So pretty much all of southeastern Wisconsin, right? So love to talk to you. Look forward to it. Have a great day. Bye.